Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best welding magnets is probably one of the most essential tools for welders who are seeking to enhance their workflow efficiency and precision when handling metal pieces. These magnets, renowned for their robust magnetic force, provide a secure hold on metal components, enabling welders to effortlessly maintain precise angles and seamlessly execute welds, thus significantly improving the overall welding process and end product quality. This detailed review will explore the features, benefits, and considerations when choosing the right welding magnet for your needs. Number 5. Strong Hand Tools MVDF 44 Kit. This kit is perfect for holding and positioning steel parts in various applications. It's ideal for light-duty substructure work in tight spots. With magnets on both the pad face and bottom, it provides secure holding power. This ensures your parts stay exactly where you need them. The kit includes two 2-inch pads with 12 pounds of pull force and two 2.2-inch pads with 18 pounds of pull force. This gives you options for different holding needs. It easily handles round, flat, and square parts. They are perfect for a variety of light-duty applications. Each pad contains 4 powerful rare earth magnets for superior holding strength. This ensures secure placement of your materials. Avoid prolonged exposure to high heat. Prolonged exposure to temperatures exceeding 185 degrees Fahrenheit may demagnetize them. What we like. It's a versatile 4-piece kit perfect for light-duty applications. Its V-pad design is great for holding various shapes. If you need a convenient and affordable solution for smaller projects, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great especially with odd-sized material, round pipe, square tubing etc. Super helpful to my hot rod fabrication project. Magnets are strong. These magnets are convenient and valuable for welding. The clamp's flexibility allows for a large variety of holding angles. It works great to hold funky things in funky positions until you get them tacked together. It is every bit as strong as I thought it would be. Number 4. Grasshopper AGH230 Magnetic Welder. This magnetic welding tool is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. Its strong magnetic pull and adjustable arm make it perfect for various welding tasks. It boasts a powerful 35 pounds magnetic pull force, ensuring a secure hold on your workpiece. This strong magnet keeps your pieces firmly in place. The precision brass tip provides a smooth, non-marring surface for delicate work. It protects your workpieces from scratches. The spring-loaded arm automatically adjusts to the workpiece, reducing hand fatigue during repetitive tasks. This self-adjusting feature makes it perfect for long jobs. Adjust the arm length to fit your needs and the anti-tipping bolt keeps it securely in place. It's designed for stability and versatility. The magnetic V-pad base provides extra stability and a secure grip on various surfaces. This ensures a stable and reliable working platform. It offers pinpoint holding, providing maximum clearance for tack welds. This allows for precise welding in tight spaces. What we like. This magnet boasts a powerful 35 pounds pull force and a durable brass tip. The spring-loaded arm makes repetitive work easier. If you're looking for a strong, reliable magnet for consistent holding, this is your best bet. Number 3. MSA 46 HD Adjusto Magnet Square. This heavy-duty magnet square makes holding metal workpieces a breeze. Its powerful magnet ensures a secure hold at 45 and 90-degree angles. Turn it off for easy setup and on when you're ready to work. This simple feature ensures safe and efficient workflow. It's perfect for round and square tubing, angles, and flat stock. Its strong hold makes it suitable for a variety of applications. Cleaning is a snap. Simply turn it off and wipe it clean. Maintenance is quick and easy. With a maximum pull force of 90 pounds, it securely holds your workpiece. You can confidently tackle even the most demanding tasks. Its compact size, 4 to 3/8 x 3 to 3/4 x 1 to 1/8 inches, makes it easy to handle and store. It's built to withstand daily use. What we like. This heavy-duty magnet offers superior holding power with a 90 pounds pull force and convenient on-off switches. It's ideal for larger, heavier workpieces. If you need a powerful magnet for heavy-duty applications, this is the clear winner. What people say. The strength is amazing. Once again for the price point. Magnets will never be strong when pulled at an angle or dragon. But this will definitely hold your jogging in place. I've had 2 of these for over a year and they still work great. The on-off switch is very useful too. I love the electromagnetic feature. Turn off the magnet and clean. I also like that I can take my time to set it right where I want it before activating the magnet. Number 2. Strong Hand MLA 600 Welding Square. This innovative welding square makes your work easier and more efficient. It's designed to hold and position various materials with precision. It features 2 independent magnets for consistent magnetic force, whether you're working with inside or outside angles. This ensures a strong hold every time. Use it to hold sheet metal, round pipes, or any square, angled, or flat stock. Its adjustable angle makes it adaptable to various projects. The mounting holes allow you to link the magnets together for use as fixturing elements, providing even more stability and versatility. It offers an adjustable angle from 30 degrees to 270 degrees, and the hex hole on the magnet provides breakaway leverage for easy adjustments and removal. With a magnetic pull force of 33 pounds, it provides a secure hold on your materials, ensuring accuracy and preventing slippage during welding. This tool is a must-have for welders who demand precision and efficiency. Experience the difference a superior welding square can make. What we like. With its adjustable angle feature and inside-outside magnets, it offers unparalleled versatility. It's perfect for a wide range of angles and workpieces. If you need adaptability and precision, this is the magnet for you. What people say. Very strong and versatile. Got a couple of these, it's a great tool. These magnets are strong when in position other than flat. Any angle they work extremely well to the pieces for an accurate tack weld each time. Better than expected. It comes with a pin to lock it at 60 and 90 degrees. Sticks really well to flat stock. Number 1. MLDT 350 Magnetic Square Kit. This versatile kit is perfect for welders and fabricators. It features strong magnets for secure workpiece holding. It has both inside and outside magnets, providing consistent magnetic force no matter the application. This ensures a strong hold on your materials. It offers 90 degrees, 30 degrees, and 60 degrees angles, making it adaptable to various projects. This means you can tackle a variety of tasks with ease. With a powerful magnetic pull, it securely holds your materials in place. This eliminates the need for extra hands or clamps. Use it to hold sheet metal, pipes, or any angled or flat stock. It's a must-have for any workshop. The mounting holes allow you to link 2 magnets together for even more secure fixturing. This enhances its versatility and functionality. A hex hole provides leverage for easy breakaway when needed. This makes adjustments quick and simple. What we like. This kit provides fixed angles for consistent results, with strong inside-outside magnets. It's perfect for precise work requiring specific angles. If you need accuracy and reliability in your welds, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Very strong magnet, I mostly use it to fish for loose hardware on the floor of my shop. The hole is useful for tying string to let it dangle. I have 2 fixed and 2 adjustable angle and they work great. Very strong magnets. This is a great tool to have in your box ready to work for you. It is the extra hand you have always wanted when you are wanting nice easy 90% fittings. Use it building gates, panels and pipe racks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.